Anansi and the Talent Show twist. At Sunny Grove Primary School, the annual talent show was the highlight of the year. Every student eagerly anticipated it, but none more than Anansi. He had participated every year, yet he always finished last. No matter how hard he tried, he just didn't possess a talent like everyone else. Tasha, on the other hand, always won. She was the best at everything, singing, dancing, juggling, and she never let anyone forget it. "Are you entering again this year, Anansi?" Tasha asked one afternoon, her tone dripping with mockery. "Don't bother. Winning takes real talent." Anansi clenched his fists, determined to prove her wrong. But how? That evening, while rummaging through the storage closet at home, Anansi stumbled upon a dusty old box. It was a magic kit his uncle had given him years ago, long forgotten and tucked away. He opened the box to find a wand, a deck of cards, and a black top hat. Anansi muttered, a mischievous grin spreading across his face. "Maybe I do have a talent after all." For the next week, Anansi practiced in secret. At first, the tricks were clumsy. Cards fell out of his hands, and the scarves refused to appear from the hat. But Anansi didn't give up. Slowly but surely, he improved. By the time the talent show arrived, he was ready. The school auditorium buzzed with excitement. The acts were spectacular as usual. One student played the violin beautifully, another performed a gymnastics routine, and, of course, Tasha dazzled everyone with her scarf juggling. "She's got it in the bag," someone whispered in the crowd. Finally, it was Anansi's turn. He walked on stage, wearing a borrowed cape that was a little too big for him. Some kids snickered, but Anansi didn't let it faze him. "Ladies and gentlemen," he announced, "prepare to witness the wonders of Anansi the Magnificent." He began with a simple card trick, making Mrs. Sparrow's chosen card appear from his sleeve. Then, he moved on to pulling a rainbow of scarves from the top hat. The audience gasped and clapped, but Anansi wasn't finished yet. For his grand finale, he held up an empty hat. "From this hat, I will pull magic itself." He waved his wand, said a few mysterious words, and out popped a glittering, glowing star balloon. The crowd erupted in cheers, louder than anyone had expected. Backstage, Tasha watched with her arms crossed, her face turning red. She couldn't believe it, Anansi was stealing the show. When the judges announced the winner, Anansi could hardly believe his ears. "The Star Performer trophy goes to Anansi the Magnificent." As he stepped up to accept the trophy, Tasha huffed. "Magic? That's not even a real talent," she muttered. Anansi just smiled. "It's not about being perfect, Tasha," he said. "It's about entertaining people and having fun. And I think I nailed it." From that day on, Anansi didn't worry about whether he had real talent. He'd found his way to shine, and that was more than enough. Creativity and determination can help you shine in your unique way, thought Anansi.